Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to guide you through the step-by-step process of setting up Autopay on your Capital One account. Autopay is a fantastic way to ensure that you never miss a payment, helping you maintain a good credit score and avoid late fees. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your account. Begin by visiting the Capital One website or opening the Capital One mobile app on your device. Enter your login credentials, your username and password, to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Payments. Once you're logged in, look for the Payments option in the main navigation menu. This is usually located at the top of the page on the website or in the main menu of the app. Step 3. Select Autopay. After clicking on Payments, you should see an option for Autopay. Click on this to start the setup process. Step 4. Choose your payment amount. You will be prompted to select how much you'd like to pay each month. You can choose to pay the minimum payment, the statement balance, or another amount of your choosing. Select the option that best fits your financial needs. Step 5. Set the payment date. Next, you'll need to choose a specific date for the auto payment to be deducted from your account each month. It's a good idea to select a date shortly after your payment is due to ensure you have sufficient funds in your account. Step 6. Link your bank account. If you haven't already linked a bank account, you will need to do so. Enter the required bank account details, including the account number and routing number, to ensure that your payments are processed correctly. Step 7. Review your settings. Before finalizing the setup, review all your settings, payment amount, date, and bank account details. Make sure everything is correct to avoid any issues down the line. Step 8. Confirm and activate Autopay. Once you've reviewed your settings, click on the button to confirm and activate your Autopay. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your Autopay has been successfully set up. Step 9. Check for confirmation email. To ensure everything is set up correctly, check your email for a confirmation from Capital One regarding your Autopay activation. This will provide you with peace of mind that your payments will be made automatically. Now you're all set. With Autopay enabled on your Capital One account, you can sit back and relax, knowing your payments are taken care of. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.